Dali lang naman, wala pa yung present.
Wala nga. Pinapa-excite ko lang sila. Pinapakabango lang. Ganyan talaga ako, malakas ang bunganga ako. Alright. Are you nervous, girls? I know there's thoughts.
Ma'am, ha? Si Dulce naman, kumakatawa naman si Dulce, parang huling tawa na niya.
O, ganyan talaga mga malaking
Na nagpaparamdam ka sa akin, ha? Tatapikin mo ako pag natutulog na ako.
Fourth runner-up goes to Marian Rivera with an average score of 6.93.
Marian Rivera garnered an average score of 6.93.
Thank you, handsome.
Thank you.
Madam.
Dito ko muna, ate. Sobra ka. Ayan. Okay, and to award our third runner-up, may we call in Miss Jenny Lopez Apaya and Mr. Mark Alimagno.
The third runner-up!
Our third runner-up. Yes, garnering an average score of 7.37%. May percent talaga? Wala nga. Sabi ko nga, walang percent.
Ang 30 naman ang mga nalalaga.
Oo, correct. Our third runner-up is no other than but candidate number 7, Miss Shea Marie Fernandez.
Let's keep it friendly.
Let's keep it friendly.
You have to play fair.
We have to play fair.
That's right. That's ano ba?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't you wish you could have Shane like us?
Beth,
Thank you so much. Congratulations, Shane. Third runner-up. Oh, Shane is the third
Shane
runner-up.
is the third runner-up. What we're looking now is our second
Second runner-up.
runner-up. Oh my God, second runner-up na ito. Woo! Pwede ba humingi muna tayo? And to award our second runner-up,
Our second runner-up will receive a trophy,
a
a
crown,
crown, and also a bouquet of flowers,
and a cash.
2,000 worth of
Yes.
cash.
The crown is made of opal and ruby.
At least there's a crown.
Yes. Our second runner-up to award, may we call in Miss Lady Ann Hermosilia, the second runner-up of Muchanang Cabuyao 2009, and Mr. Rafael Cruz.
All right. All right.
All right, here we go again.
The second runner-up, garnering an average score of 7.40.
7.40%. Yes.
None other than the better half of Lucky Manzano, Angel Lupin. Second runner-up.
Pwede bang si Kuya Jasper na nandun?
Dapat may kiss si Rafael. Come on, Rafa. Gusto niyo ba may kiss? Kiss!
Sino ba may gusto ng kiss?
Kami. Rafa, pagbigyan mo naman. Kiss daw. Kiss! Kiss si Angel. Wow! Parang ano lang, parang kiss.
Worthy? Si Angel, nakaki.
Oo nga, Angel, nakakaingit ka. Thank you so much.
Bakit sa kanila may kumukuha? Bakit sa atin wala?
Wala,
Kahit
hindi
isang- kahit flash lang naman, masaya na kami.
Hindi kasi tayo mukhang showbiz.
Okay, so and to award our first runner-up, we have Miss Jeneline Deloria, our first runner-up in Muchanang Cabuyao 2009, and Miss Ida Cruz. And to award the Hiyas na Ikatlong Lahi 2009, may we call in Miss Lani Akupiku, Muchanang Cabuyao 2009, Miss Sonia P. Salcedo, and Miss Carlotta Cantos, our Hiyas ng Cabuyao, Hiyas ng Cabuyao, Hiyas na Ikatlong Lahi 2008. Okay, girls, Miss Jessa and Miss Iya Villana. Hold your breath because we're about to announce the first runner-up and the first ever Hiyas na ikatlong lahi 2009.
All I can say, whoever wins deserves it, right?
Yes.
So,
Okay.
good luck to the two of you.
It may be Iya Villana or it may be Miss Jessa Saragosa.
So, nagpupunyagi ngayon, gabing ito, ang kanilang mga asawa. Yung isa si Drew, yung isa naman si Ding Dong.
Ding Dong Darkness. Echos.
Alright, our first
Woo!
runner-up.
I would like to announce the title. Anong gusto mong unahin natin? Yung title o yung first runner-up?
First runner-up, syempre.
Gusto ko muna yung title. Iiwerty.
Ikaw na first runner-up. Why nasa pagka-choosy, Ning? Umaga na, oh.
Okay, sige.
May booking pa tayo.
Okay. Our first runner-up garnered an average score of 7.63. While our Hiyas na ikatlong lahi 2009 garnered an average score of 8.47.
Computerized. Scoring.
Here we go. Our first runner-up for Hiyas na ikatlong lahi 2009 is no other than but...
You have to announce the major sponsor.
Yeah, I would like to say thank you, Francie Condom and Easy Lubricant Yahoo Yahoo.
Yeah, itatry mo yan later, ha?
Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
Pero i-announce mo rin yung ano.
Ako nga, sabi ko nga,
Mayor.
ito si Billy, nagugutom na ako.
Okay.
Okay,
First
garnering
runner-up.
an average score of 7.53%. Our first runner-up is no other than candidate number 13, Jessica Barbosa. And our
Title holder is Iya Villana.
Iya